Hi, Kyler with FlexArm. In this week's Robotics and Manufacturing episode, we'll talk about our PLC Interface Module that we use with our Ready robot. So the PLC Interface Module allows us to talk with the machine that the robot's tending. So we use an M code in the machine's program to signify when the cycle is done so the robot knows it can open the door and remove the part. So this is just a simple way and an easy way we've helped make our machine tending process with our robot more robust. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 1-800-837-2503.